Hey guys, I just got back from the cemetery at my mom and dad's grave, and it was a non-scale victory because the last time I was there, I was 400 pounds in a wheelchair, and I could not get down to their grave. It goes down a sloping hill, and today I realized I couldn't find it. I couldn't find the grave. I had to walk all over. But I was able to do it. I was able to walk all over. And eventually I went up to the top, and I was like, I didn't think it was up that far, but there it was, up at the top. Now I know exactly where they are again. But like I said, last time I went there, I was in a wheelchair, and I was able to make it to their grave several times, but the last time we went, the last couple times we went, my kids would go down and they would put the flowers on. And they would say hi to Grandma and Grandpa, and even their cousin Angie, who was buried down a little bit further down the way. Poor Angie. It was a non-scale victory. I was able to walk around, find their graves, before I couldn't even get down to it. It meant everything to be standing there at their graves and putting flowers on and talking to them and saying, look at your girl. Because the last time my mom seen me, I was in a wheelchair. No, I had managed to push my walker down the hallway in the nursing home. I'd managed to push my walker down and see her, but last time she seen me, I was almost 400 pounds. And I was on my way to getting really bad then. Whew. I think after she died is kind of when I started my journey, my weight loss journey. She didn't get to see my grandson. She loved my son so much. She would have been so happy. My grandson was born 2 years after she died. Oh, here I am telling you guys shit you don't really want to know. I'm sorry. I had an amazing non-scale victory. I wanted to share it. The little things are huge. I mean, it may seem like a little thing, but it was huge to make it to my mom and dad's grave on Memorial Weekend and put flowers on it. Instead of sitting in the car watching everybody else do it and sitting there watching out a window. That's what I did. I lived my life watching everybody else do stuff out a window, and I don't have to do that no more, because I'm Debbie Garcia. I'm the badass baby boomer. I've lost 237 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, and I got myself out of that effing wheelchair. And so the adventure begins. Yes. Debbie, telling myself, Debbie. And so the adventure begins. Because at 65 years old as a baby boomer, it's not too late. It's not too late. I thought it was too late. I was 53 when I started this journey. I thought it was too late. I was stuck in that wheelchair. I thought that was my life. I thought that was the rest of my life, just watching everybody else live, and I was just existing. Well, it's not that way anymore, because I'm living. I'm getting out there. You can do it too. We can all do it. We can all do it. You can change your life. We can make the impossible possible. I believe that now. I believe whatever we set our mind to, it's all up here. It's all up here. And we have to work on our mind, and we have to tell ourselves we can do it, and take little steps. And those little steps, you don't change everything all at once. We're not Jillian Michaels. We're not, what's that show? Biggest Loser. We're not the biggest loser. We're the best losers, because we're going to lose the extra weight. We're going to build our muscles. We're going to have a life. We're going to have a life. We're not just going to exist. We're going to get up off all that damn couch. We're going to get out of those wheelchairs. We're going to get off of those walkers. We're going to get healthy. We're going to move. Join my school community, where we work together to motivate each other, trying the latest things, using GLP-1s, having gastric bypasses, or just naturally changing our diet, eating healthy, which you have to do anyway. No matter what tools you use, you have to eat healthier. Cut the calories down. Doesn't mean you have to eat less. You just eat different stuff that has less calories in it. And that's what I've learned. Yeah, that's what I've learned. Join my group. School, link down below. Follow us. Come along for the ride. And if you need help, it's free. I mean, it's a free community. I'm not charging anything for anybody. Anything. Be one of my founding members. Get in there and let's take action. I'm just starting a 12-week program. We're making the impossible possible. Still rising. Making the impossible possible. Still rising. We're at our best years now. We're going to show this world. We ain't got to worry about nothing but ourselves and make it ourselves the best we can and helping mankind. Bring us back. I mean, God, we've gone way over something. We need to bring back love. We need to bring back unity, love, peace. We need to bring it back. I love you guys. Thank you for joining me. Sorry for the meltdown, but what a great day. I mean, what a great day.